Hi guys! Today I'm going to share a quick guide on how to check incoming direct deposit on your Chase account. So let's get started. Alright, so step 1 is to log into your Chase account. Then once you've securely accessed your account, let's navigate our way to the My Wallet section. This is like our digital command center. Now, once you're within the My Wallet section, we want to move on to the payments area. So this is where the magic happens. Just go take a moment to appreciate the seamless navigation Chase offers. Next up, keep your eyes peeled up for any pending transaction or recent transaction that scream direct deposit. So Chase often labels this as ACH credit or use a similar term to make things crystal clear. Now, let's talk about details. So once you've spotted this direct deposit transaction, they come bearing gifts of information. So you can find out the exact amount deposited and equally important when those funds will be available for your financial pleasure. And that's it. Checking your direct deposit on Chase is a straightforward process. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.